Models suggest injection of sulfate aerosols into the stratosphere could have unintended consequences. This is today's article on phys.org. A team of researchers from the National Center for Atmospheric Research, the Pacific Northwest National Laboratory, and Cornell University has found via modeling that injecting sulfate aerosols into the stratosphere could have unintended negative consequences. In their paper published in the journal Nature Geoscience, the group described their models and what they showed. A few days ago, we put up a video concerning the fact that they had a plan. They quote unquote, whoever they are, that they have to chemtrail our skies in order to drop the temperature, the global temperature of the Earth, 1.5 to 2 degrees centigrade, or Fahrenheit, whatever, Fahrenheit, let's say Fahrenheit, which is less. Of course, we would be breathing a lot more of what they're spraying above our heads almost on a daily basis. And a lot of scientists believe that that is detrimental to all life on Earth, not just human life, but all of living animals and plant life as well. So now there are more unintended consequences, as we'll see. It has to do with the weather. This is very serious. As the planet continues to heat up due to the collective refusal, the article goes on to say, to stop pumping greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, scientists continue to look for other ways we might save ourselves. Instead of curbing gas emissions, it might be possible to cool the planet in other ways, such as by injecting sulfate aerosols into the stratosphere. The idea is to mimic the cooling effect of volcanic eruptions, that is, volcanic ash that cool our planet. Regarding such an approach, researchers propose that the aerosols be dispersed from balloons or airplanes at approximately 15 to 30 degrees latitude on both sides of the equator. The desired results would be reducing surface warming and a positive change in the temperature gradient. To learn more about what might happen to the planet if such an experiment were actually carried out, the researchers ran 20 computer simulations to demonstrate the impact of adding sulfate aerosols to the stratosphere in the proposed manner. The researchers report that overall the model showed the desired cooling impact, but they also showed something less helpful: reduced global rainfall. Can you imagine? Which means droughts. The models showed that the changes in rainfall would not be uniform either. Some areas would get less than others, and as some of those areas, such as the North Atlantic, receiving less rainfall, the ocean would experience an increase in salinity, which would make the water denser. That denser water would then have an impact on the Atlantic meridional overturning circulation, burying more heat in the deep ocean. The net result would be a warmer ocean, and more polar melting and faster rising sea levels. The researchers conclude their report by pointing out that the true impact on the planet of such an endeavor could not be shown by computer modeling, at least not with complete confidence. This is by phys.org. Journal reference was Nature Geoscience.